There are literally so many ways you can earn money with Instagram, be it selling promos, be it affiliate marketing, be it merchandise selling, be it starting an e-commerce store, anything. There's literally so many ways you can earn money with Instagram. But in this video, I'm going to talk about another way you can earn money on Instagram. Now, let me make this clear. This method is not something new. This has been here for a few years. The reason why I am talking about this method in this video is because I just came across this software, this website, which is more of a platform for carrying out this method with which you can earn money on Instagram. Now, definitely you can carry out this method to earn money on Instagram, on the platform of Instagram itself. But if you use this website, you can earn a lot more money. Now, this video is definitely not sponsored by this website. I'm just talking about this website because I just came across it and actually I checked it. It is a legit website and it actually works. It has some reputation out there, and that's why I'm going to talk about this website in this video, because you can actually earn a lot more money if you use this website compared to if you don't use this website. That is, if you carry out this method on Instagram itself. So if you have already understood what I am talking about, yes, this is selling Instagram pages. As you know, Instagram theme pages, this is a big market on Instagram and a very big deal, and there are literally so many people out there ready to give you their cash to buy an already running good Instagram page. And yes, that's what you have to do here. You have to build a page from scratch to something and you can sell it out. Now wait, don't go away. I know this may seem like a very tough thing to do, like literally building a page from zero to something. That may seem like a very tough thing to do, but trust me, there is a reason why I am telling you about this method in this video, because this is not supposed to be tough and this can be done by anybody, literally anybody. If you don't have any skill too, you just need to know how Instagram works. And I believe everyone on the planet, not everyone, there are 1 billion users on Instagram, so almost everyone knows that. So the thing is, this website that I'm talking about is actually a marketplace of Instagram theme pages. That means you can get many theme pages listed over here to buy, and you can also sell your theme page over here. Now, the real reason why I'm talking about this website is, now I'm really surprised. I didn't expect this. The moment I saw this website, the first moment, you know what came into my mind? This website is a scam. This is not legit. This cannot be legit. This is a scam. These are the things that were actually going on in my head when I first saw this website. But after doing a bit of research, after seeing a few of the reviews and all around the internet, I researched about this, and then I had to believe this website actually has some reputation out there, and this is a legit website. Now the thing is, if you're selling an Instagram theme page on Instagram itself, like the rates are like for 10,000 followers you can get $100, for 20,000 followers you can get $200, or maybe a bit more, but not much. Now yes, if you're very good at selling and the buyer is a total dumb idiot, then maybe he'll agree to pay a lot more than what your page is actually worth. So you can see, I have my computer over here. I'll quickly jump on it and show you this website and show you the insane prices the Instagram theme pages are sold. Yes, literally these pages are sold at literally high prices. But if you use this particular website to list it on their marketplace, your page will literally sell for a lot higher price than it was actually worth. And the best thing over here is that if you use this website to list your Instagram theme page on their marketplace, your website will literally sell for a lot higher price than it is actually worth as per the Instagram rates goes. And an even better thing is that your page, your Instagram theme page, doesn't need to have big number of followers like 10,000, 20,000 or even bigger. Your page can be as small as 2,000 or 1,000 followers. Yes, that is why I am talking about this method and this website in this video. So now you can understand why I'm talking about this website and this method in this video, because it will be so easy for you to grow an Instagram account, an Instagram theme page from 0 to 1,000 or 2,000 followers. If you're following my videos, that will take a maximum of like, let's say 10-12 days, or a maximum a month if you're a complete beginner and you don't know anything. If you are following my videos, that is. Now my personal best to get to the first 1,000 followers on one of my Instagram theme pages was 6.5 days. So if I can do it in 6.5 days, so I truly believe that you can do it in 10-15 days. It won't be that difficult. But that is only if you're following my methods, which I have shown in my videos. Now the method that I use to take my Instagram account from 0 to the first 1,000 followers in 6.5 days is follow for follow. But it is not the old traditional follow for follow. It actually contains a little tiny modification. You have to know this modification, otherwise you'll be doing the same old follow for follow thing, and that is going to ruin your follow back conversion rate, and it is going to take a lot of time and a lot of hard work. So if you want to minimize your hard work and obviously the time consumed, you can click on this card to watch the video. This video is named like, does follow for follow still work in 2021? This is the name. You can see over here, I'll put it over here. Watch this video, guys, watch this. I'm telling you, watch this. I can guarantee that if you watch that video and actually apply this on your Instagram page, you can get to your first 1,000 followers very fast. So as you can see, I have my computer over here, so I'll jump on it quickly and show you the website, and I'll show you the high prices the Instagram theme pages are actually selling for. I'm literally surprised. I'm still surprised. I can't believe it right now, but I can't do anything. I have to believe it. Alright, so the website is socialtradia.com. If you have known this website from earlier, then you'll know how amazing a website this is. You can check out how it works over here. A good part over here is that you don't have to market your Instagram theme, but you don't have to go and do DM outreach, cold outreach, email outreach to find buyers. These guys will do the marketing for their website, and you'll be getting visitors to your Instagram theme page. I mean, prospects, the buyers, the potential buyers. You don't have to do any marketing. That's the best part over here, and you can check out how it works. The buyer buys the account, or drops an offer gets approved, and he makes the payment. It's more like Fiverr. The buyer makes the payment, they hold the payment. The Social Tradia group, the team holds the payment. You have to deliver your service. You have to deliver the Instagram theme page, and then you will be receiving the payment. So this is very secure. The best part over here, what I liked over here is, read over here. Let's start with every Instagram account you see on the platform. Now read this. Has passed the authenticity check, and although it is very time consuming, our evaluation team filters out all the non-qualified accounts so you don't waste your time and money. They're proud to claim that security is their top priority and core value when it comes to buying and selling Instagram accounts. So I want to tell all the scammers out there that you have to keep in mind that the security is their top priority. And that means you cannot use fake followers on your Instagram account and list it over here. You have to work on your page and bring real followers. You cannot use fake followers. That's absolutely something wrong, and you shouldn't be doing, as actually you won't be even be able to sell your account over here if you do that, because they are going to check your account. You have to pass the authenticity check. And as you can see over here, 2k to 5k, your account must be of 2,000 followers if you want to sell your account over here. And just look at this 4,700 followers, $200. Like, who will pay you $200 for 4,700 followers? Tell me, who will do that? Nobody. If you are selling on Instagram 4,700 followers, it's like $50, and you are literally getting 4x the amount you would get on Instagram. Just imagine. Let's look at 2.5k followers. Who will give you $120 for 2,500 followers? Who will? Nobody. Just look at the insane amount of price they are offering. By the way, all these accounts, 8 accounts, are people like you who have listed their accounts over here, and they are getting these amounts of prices. They wouldn't be listing their pages at such a high price if they were not supposed to sell at these high prices. And Social Tradia wouldn't even allow these people to list their pages at such high prices if they wouldn't sell. So that clearly shows that you can use this. So I showed you how it works, and I showed you the other thing, that security is the top priority, and this is a very secure platform. And you can do your research. While doing this research, I checked out, this is actually a reputed platform, and you can use this marketplace to sell your Instagram page. And as I said, if you follow my follow for follow strategy with this tiny modification, don't end up following the old and traditional follow for follow strategy. That is that you have to work very hard for that, and basically you will be working like a donkey. That's just useless work. Don't do useless work, do smart work. So that's it, guys. Socialtradia.com. This is the website, the marketplace. Grow your Instagram theme page from 0 to 2,000 followers minimum. You have to have 2,000 followers minimum to list your page over here. And as you saw, such high prices. I showed you how high prices. You will not get such high prices anywhere. Definitely not on Instagram. $100, $200, $120. Who will pay such high prices? And follow my method. Follow my follow for follow strategy. You will be able to grow your page very fast. And especially if you're new to making money online, then this can be a very good opportunity for you. You don't have to do the marketing. Just create the page and list it over here. Your page will sell. That's it. So if you've liked this video, go and give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you are new, and join the family right now. And if you really want to show some love, go and comment down below. It really helps with the algorithm. Till then, ciao, and I'll see you. Till then, peace. I'll meet you in the next video.